Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to start the vlog here because I feel like this is going to be a very long vlog and we'll have to start it somewhere, so I'm gonna start it here. Now that I'm gonna have a little time, I can explain to you know a little bit of what is gonna happen in this vlog. I'm gonna do it right now, guys. Come on, bed. Loving the color. I wanted white sheets, by the way, but I'm watching white sheet them. The rainfall them never dry, so I ended up using a mint green sheet under the duvet and just using that cute little turquoise pillow. I love it so much. It's so cute. Yeah, cute, you know, my thing unusual and different. But anyways, so this is probably going to be a week-long vlog, so I'm gonna call this a weekly vlog. Yeah, you guys are going to spend the week with me. Yeah. So I'm basically gonna show you guys a little bit of what is happening in my week. It's kind of going to be a little family oriented too, because my mom is here and some of my other family members for my brother's wedding. Yeah, for my brother. What? Anyway, yeah, a lot of my family are here for the purpose of my brother's wedding, and that will be happening in Montego Bay, so we're going to have to journey there, and you guys are just going to come along and watch me get prepared for this moment. Congratulations to you, my brother, if you get to see this vlog. I wish you and your fiance all the best. You know, I hope that you guys ensure that you keep God in the middle of, you know, this union, so that you guys can overcome all challenges that will come, definitely, for sure. Nothing is perfect, no relationship, nobody, nothing at all. So just keep that in the midst and continue to pray with each other. Remember, the family that prays together stays together. Yeah, that's my little 2 cents for now, but you guys are going to definitely get to see me definitely prep, and you might see a little bit of my family, a little here, a little there. You might catch a little bit of something, but that's what this week's vlog is going to be about. Oh guys, if I never ever did tell you now, please ensure that you guys are subscribed to my other channel. I created a new YouTube channel. This one is going to be mostly informational based. You know, I talk a lot about skincare over there. I will do videos over there where I'm talking about products that I like, whether it be makeup or beauty products, and also, you know, just fashion videos as well, where we talk about, you know, clothes and all of that. So I'm gonna encourage you guys to go over there and follow that channel. It is Chit Chat with Amore. I'm going to also place the link here in the bio, so you guys can definitely click and get there and subscribe. This channel is simply going to be a vlog channel. Please guys, go over there and subscribe. Watch the video them, even bring up the algorithm and help me get to 1K subscribers on that channel as well. So go and stay tuned, and we will continue with this vlog. Continue watching the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, period. All right, bye. Got some little goodies. So guys, remember that I'm on this whole skincare journey now, and I've been telling you guys on my other channel. So I did say on that channel that I was gonna get a few items to add to my skincare routine. At least I'm gonna test these items because I've never used them before, and so far I've been using the niacinamide from, you know, this beauty line or this skincare product line, and I have definitely been loving the results so far. So I decided that I was gonna get some other stuff from this line, and you guys probably know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the Ordinary skincare line. So I was already using the niacinamide and I love it, as I said before, and so I decided that I was going to try with some other ones. So I decided to add the glycolic acid. This is the 7%. This is the 7%, and this is the toning solution. I hope this is the one that I see everybody with. And then yeah, I got another niacinamide because the one I had run out. I opened a new one, but this is just for, you know, just a re-up, just to ensure that I don't run out. So I have another niacinamide. I got the hyaluronic acid. This is a 2% B5, and I did done telling already, so I'm gonna get these.
just to add to the routine, just to see if altogether everything is going to give me the results that I want. So far my skin kind of greasy now, but that's because I've been sweating. The place is hot, we're getting to summer, so don't mind all of that, all of the grease. And I also got me like a Fenty Beauty powder. I don't know if I told you guys that I got me the Fenty Beauty foundation the other day. I don't know to say if this one is my correct shade. I tried a new shade the other day. I did the 360 because I felt like this was more matching to my skin tone. I think it is, but and another thing is the girl gave me a 360 soft lift when I specifically remember telling her that I wanted a pro filter. I want to share with you guys the difference between the soft lift and the pro filter, seeing as though now I'm getting to try the soft lift. It's not my fave, but I'll talk more about that on my other channel, so I'm gonna make sure say gonna subscribe. I'm gonna have to get another foundation, the pro filter, because as I said, this is a soft lift. Don't get me wrong, the soft lift is fine, it's okay, it's not that it's not good. I really like it, I really like the consistency, but I think the thing for this is it's not full coverage, and I like to have my foundations being full coverage, especially now when I'm working on my skin. And a lot of the things that I try to conceal with the foundation would definitely be my acne marks. It's not one of those times where I don't have acne marks. I have a few acne marks that I'm trying to conceal. So soft lift is something that I want to use, but I definitely use it after the acne scars have gone. And also what I love with the pro filter, I feel like it's a little bit more matte. Anyway, as my summer team, I'm going too much tea over here, and I don't want to do that. I want to definitely go ahead on my other channel and speak more about the skin things. And then I got me a Fenty Beauty foundation, and this one definitely is the pro filter, and it's a soft matte powder foundation. Definitely love that. I already used to it, so you know, this is what it looks like if you guys have never seen it before. And I got it in the shade 385 because I just felt like, you know, this would have been like a little bit of a more brighter shade, considering that, you know, this would be a better shade considering that the 360, I just feel like it's a little bit dark. So this is the pro filter, and I got this one in the shade 385. Do you want me let me see if I can test it over here just to see, you know, what I feel about it. I feel like it's a little dark. I don't know, it could just be me, but I just feel like it's giving dark. I feel like it's giving dark, and I thought that it would be so much lighter than the 360, but I'm getting dark. I don't know, it could just be me. I feel like it was gonna be a lot lighter. I feel like it's darker. I feel like it's giving me more of a darker look. I don't know, I would have assumed 385 would have been a lot lighter, but it seems like it's a lot darker to me. I don't know, but I'm gonna do a full makeup routine on this and tell you guys exactly how I feel about it. As I say, I'm not really sure. I'm not quite sure that this is what I was going for. I felt like for a foundation, I wanted it to be a little bit more lighter. But let's see when I do a complete makeup look with it, how it turns out. So yeah, trying the trying the Fenty foundation, Fenty powder, I guess. So I got these, I guess. I'll be adding more things to my Fenty collection. Also I got this top from Amazon. It's just this romper, just a few basics. Got some t-shirts, some Amazon tees, stuff like that. And then I got some really cute shorts, and I'm gonna show you guys that in a haul that I will be doing soon. So yeah, period. That's just about it, guys. So maybe I'll catch up with it now. All right, just
So guys, I'm currently packing for my trip to Montego Bay with my family, and I feel like this trip, guys, I'm trying to create some looks. So yeah, I have some ideas, and I don't know. This is a rare London dress. I took the tag off because may I go try use it in our next look, maybe like a jeans look. I love the print on the label. I love the label, as a matter of fact. So must say I can't throw this. I just have to take it and try to use it in something. Yeah, in something. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'll leave it. I got this cardigan sweater as well. I think it's from M&S, and it feels so good, so good. So I'm walking with like a sweater, just in case the vibes get cool and all of that. I don't know what look I'm going for yet, but I just put some things together. I got these sneakers. It's not a name brand sneakers, but I just love how it look. You know, the style of it. I feel like I'm only carrying 1 or 2 pajamas because it's only going to be 2 nights and we go up and down, so I'm gonna think I need no pajamas. So I'm just taking these, which is my favorite, one of my favorites, some lingeries and just some little things me I put together in the event. Besides say I don't know if wear, you know, I just give myself some options. I'm not done yet. I'm not even start yet, honestly. I don't want to overpack, so what I do is I try to make sure say like I just be more structured and actually put the looks for each day and each event together, so I don't have to carry any, you know, bunch of unnecessary stuff. So that I do, I just keep on updated. And so guys, I'm still back to the packing. Been packing for like 2 days, adding some more things. I got these cute little press-on nails. Believe it or not, I'm gonna get this another wholesale for less than $1,000. I don't know, I just saw it, I bought it. I have some others. I don't know what I'm going to do to my fingernail, as in I can see that no. This is a very self-sufficient weekend. I forgot to do my own hair, I forgot to do my own nails. Putting these pieces together. I can book because I'm yet to finish reading this book, The Tale of Despera. It's about some rats, mice, all of that. And I'm not walking with a lot of jewelry, but I got this silver piece from Forever 21. It looks like this. I can't seem to pull it off yet. Very reasonable. And then I'm taking this gold piece. It's all dependent on what I decide to wear. As I'm telling you guys, I'm not overpack. Taking these 2 wood earrings. I still not put everything together yet. I still work out some piece. I did come up with a little look with these pearl earrings, so I'm gonna know if I get to do that. But if I do that, may I pack some shades, some reading glasses, some shades, my notebook. And guys, you know, doing this little mini pack trip, I realized say I do have certain things like to pack my skincare. So now I'm gonna have to go on a whole Shein rant because I really need some little traveling stuff like kits to pack, like mini size products that I can use, because I want to pack my skincare. I want to pack like my skincare that I'm currently using. Guys, these are the things that I'm currently using on my skin. I don't want to pack the glycolic because it's too big, and I'm also narrowing down my usage. I'm gonna do a whole video upon the glycolic and my review of it on my other channel, Chit Chat with Amore. Make sure say want to follow that. But I wanted to take my glycolic just to do it once as a part of the routine while I'm there, but I don't want to carry the whole thing. I just can't bother with that. So yeah, I need something to pack like these things, my soaps, and just some other little miscellaneous items. Yeah, my director, so I'll try to figure that out right now. I'm showing them my suitcase too. So my suitcase is right here. I'll put one little umbrella and then I come and I want to leave it. So that's my suitcase. I'm kind of really small suitcase, guys, and I'm gonna start packing it. I will catch up back with you now. I want to listen to my music and vibe. I'm telling you some confused, like Confucius. I have this cute little, you know, Beverly Hills type of jacket suit. Yeah, the sleeves have this little diamond. The wedding is gonna take place like in evening hours, so may I assume say, you know, I can do that vibe here. It's like a cute little jacket with bedazzled sleeves. Yeah, and I got these shorts to go with it. Now me, I look on this on camera, me I like it. Not sure if I will take this bag, but I also have the bag here where I can kind of But may I contemplate might be something that I rock with it. I don't know. Let's put the pieces then together and then decide. So I'm taking this short set with me because based on my mood and the morning, I eat me wear, and it just has these like cute buttons. My favorite thing is just how the sleeve is so bedazzled, and I'll just probably pair like a top inside of it for just, you know, get one vibe, because it is definitely an evening cocktail type of wedding, and you know the vibe could really just be, because the setting is garden, you know, brunch vibes. And I was just thinking I might go with like a vintage style floral dress. This dress is really tall, guys, really tall. I'm gonna go with like a floral type vintage dress, mod it up a little bit. Not sure if these would be the earrings that I wear. Probably like get some yellow flower type earrings, or however I decide to work it. But I'm thinking also of this. I did show like a silver dress earlier, so guys, I'm still kind of undecisive, but all these three outfits are going with me, and whichever one me feel like me gonna wear upon the day, that's a go on. So me gonna go and throw some stuff in the suitcase, and then I'm going to be back. I feel like also guys, me I carry one silver shoe. In the event I choose to wear silver, the silver shoes of choice is definitely going to be this. Must me I put my thing them on the bed, but now watch me just do what me have to do. Yeah, so I really love this silver shoes. It goes well with this bag, like as a cute like a set. So I'm gonna know if I decide for wear those are the things. This might be what I end up wearing, and this can also go with the metallic dress that I took out as well. So I'm still deciding on what's going to happen with that. If I end up wearing this garden dress, I might have to wear like a gold wedge that I have. Let me see if I can find it. I don't know. For this dress, I might wear these gold wedge, and I do have a bag that matches this gold bag, so I'm gonna look for that next and see how it works out. But as I say, I don't know. I think I'm gonna put this on, guys, like try it on and see how I'm feeling it, and then yeah, I'll decide.
Maybe a goal. Everything set.
What this look good now?
You want to check out see what I'm
No, I'm gonna run at all.
Yeah.
I really like it. I just not feel like may I fit it good as yet. Like, but it's cute. It's cute. I really want to wear it somewhere. It's cute though. It's cute. So guys, I'm gonna put the silver bag inside of this little bag. Guys, I'm also gonna be packing this Zara pants. I'm gonna just put one casual outfit in there. In the event, maybe spontaneously we decide, so we're gonna go somewhere. The tomboy look, I'm gonna be pairing these Zara pants with my Steve Madden bag, and then this little cute white top that I got from Shein, and just accessorize and probably wear it with like a white sneakers. This is just a little daytime or nighttime look if we decide to just go entertain ourselves and do something, And I rather to be prepared than underprepared. So me just so I know some have an outfit for every situation in the event something just pops up. I am actually prepared, especially because I am going to be so far away from home and not able to pick up stuff that I would want to have. So I'm gonna pack a little one suit, a little one trendy something in the event we want pop out. So the Blu-ray shades, I like the vibes. Might get another like white t-shirt type of top, I don't sure, or I might use these. I'm leaning more towards these than anything else. So we're gonna put this in the bag as like an extra outfit to wear out. So guys, see, I'm still in a pasta. Look at all the shoes I took out. Like these sneakers, because I'm taking like a practical outfit and I'm gonna want to sneakers to run around. I'm thinking I may take this also for the dress because the dress is very long and I can probably just put this under the dress. It's real comfortable. It's not really my style, but I might wear it because it now go show. I was taking to take these slippers also because they're pretty practical. I may say if I want to switch out my shoes, I can have these as well. And then the wedge, when I decide between that and this, I don't know what I do yet, so I carry everything. And then this is definitely a must. I feel like I'm overpacking. I got all of these bags and I feel like I'm gonna try and stuff all these bags in this bag so that I can put it into the suitcase. I don't really feel like I'm gonna take this bag at all. I was thinking that it could have go with this dress, but then no, I'm not really. I feel it right now, but I'm gonna still put it in the suitcase just in case I decide to wear that dress here, and then when I try it on and I look at myself, it look good. I don't really feel like I shouldn't work it. I shouldn't work with a little yellow puff bag that had the vision room I have, but I never really see that when I go up on the road and I don't have time to order it, so I have to work with what I have to work with. Right, so I'm gonna stuff all of them bag here, and then I'm just gonna take one other practical outfit. It's just a tight set, and me I said that can probably just any little thing for come up, we can wear that. Like all my little undies in this bag, and I don't really care nothing more in terms of clothes. But I feel like I have everything now, and me gonna start pack. Guys, this is a little H&M set. I'm also taking it in. I got fit in everything and show now how it get done. And then I'm gonna get like something for my makeup. Guys, man telling you, I need like a makeup kit. I need it. Lately I've been using this hat very often. It's an Island Beach hat, and even on a regular day I walk with it because it's just someone use to kind of shade me from the sun. So yeah, may I bring this with me. By the way, guys, the dress that I showed you guys earlier, the sunflower dress, I actually bought it in Jamaica from Trendy Threads, Chic Fashion Sweet Style. Yeah, I actually get it at Trendy Threads. So if Trendy Threads 21. So if you know that store down like the outfit, they actually had some nice little formal wear in there and things, so I can shop with them, see if I still not wanna like. I also ended up take up a bag and come I forgot carry a bag with a suitcase. So in this bag, guys, I'm gonna pack the rest of the stuff, like the shades them, and I'm gonna get something to pack like my skincare items that I'm going to need, and just like things for shower and then something this. So yeah, I'm packed. I wouldn't necessarily say ready to go,
but for the most part I feel like all of the important items are already packed. And little last minute miscellaneous stuff, I'm gonna pack them in tomorrow morning, and I feel like that's about it. So next time on me, I'll probably be getting ready to be on my way. Before that, I feel like my friend is keeping something tonight, and I might just go give her like some support. So I'm gonna be doing that tonight. I'm not gonna stay long because I have to wake up early in the morning, and then we're gonna be off in the morning. So see you guys soon. Alright, good morning guys. So we are about ready to start our journey to the country. This is my outfit. I'm sure this is it. Wearing this little skirt set. Yeah, period. Yes guys, so it's Saturday. It's about 8:30 and we are about to go on our way to country. You don't know the vibes already. We start this vlog long time. Guys, this is my big nephew. I'm gonna say my big nephew. And that's my grandma in the back. Say hi, Pearl. Yeah. So we are waiting for the rest of the people then, but we just start the vlog by saying good morning. We are about to en route to... Yes, Mr. We're about to en route to... Obey. Eh? Alright. Guys, we got a tour. Alright guys, so we made a little pit stop. And we're using the bathroom. And we're here with my other niece, Sajani, and my other niece, Amiri. Alright. Alright guys, so the journey continues. And I'm still wearing my sun hat. It's so fun. Mother miserable. Miserable bad. A miserable man. Guys, so we are stopped at the popular juice because we can't make a country trip and don't stop at juice. So I'm going to link on the back soon. Just press this.
Tell me that. Me know what.
Make sure come off of the road there, yeah? There are pancurns. No!
In 500 meters, slight right.
Are you Alice?
Yeah.
Who's your?
I used to jump in a married.
So.
Tell them something,
Bro, I don't know what to say though. I don't know what to say though. So, this is what rules are.
We're going for the rehearsal today.
She thinks she can drive, but she really can't. She's just a try thing, but you know, so that's cool.
Slight right.
I mean, the ride was kind of rough though.
Lies.
It was kind of rough though. It was kind of rough.
Oh.
First time being here, so I don't even know where I am. To be honest. She just like she knows she had
India depends on Sujani. I'm gonna tell you
So guys, we're here. 2-hour drive, I think.
Yes, I'll take long to go to check this out. And just start on the back.
Brush on myself because I'm a mess. I'm a mess though. Oh yeah. A 2-hour drive, I think. So the key? No, I think it's right there.
Yes, we're here. Let's see. Let's find family.
Wait.
Let's see. Let's see. We're in Rosa.
Right.
Big nephew.
You know me, like,
You know what I mean?
I'm chill.
Right by this field.
The cocktail. Oh.
Breezy. Nice and hi, your sister. Oh, the bride. Nice to meet you. This is Amiri. Yes. This is Antoinette. So guys, we are here finally. The people that are participating in the wedding reception and everything, they're outside, you know, like my mom and the moms and the bride mom and stuff like that. We that are not participating are actually just chilling out at the rehearsal. Huh?
We never know the great also.
Yes, man, I country this in a grandma. After we leave, we're gonna go to the Airbnb. Some of the stuff check-in, we don't know. Right now, more man, never go take a picture for me, and so we soon talk back to now everything. Alright? Nice. Big house. Selling
So this is part 2. I don't know what she did I rant about, to be honest. I don't know what she was ranting about. But enjoy the view, you feel me? It is recording. But yeah, dog. I with my aunt, my cousin. Shout out, bro. But you know what I'm saying? The view is cool for the most part. It's tough. But yeah, can go on. Kind of awkward because I'm not a vlogger. Doing TikToks. She's not a TikTok. So if you guys have, I don't even know her TikTok. Shout out though. You can't pay me for this, you know. Content me. Content this, you can't pay me. I want $1,000 for this. German, isn't it?
Vlogger, check out the YouTube channel. Wait there. It's Sume in Jamaica. And this is the vlogger assistant. Alright. Can we get a ride?
He said no.
He not answer.
Johnny, I got to take a picture of me. What about? Go on, for another crowd. To be honest, this is since we run now. Because every time season, we see it come, we lock down back. Let's see that she gets something like a nothing. Great house to come up here.
I eat down at the bottom.
Pass the great house to come. You see, when you come, the big gate, right. No, left. Left. See, but you can't stay down. You can't stay down. I think I see. But here what happen now? You see when they say Annie Palmer down there, Annie Palmer down there, but in a spirit.
Yeah, we know. So she did it for Christ.
Spirit did it for you. But it's only who can see. Dumpy. Because guess we can see things. See her in the background of the picture.
She show up in a people.
She show up herself. That's your house. She was a devil. She was a devil. She was a devil. And she won all the whole of them plantation. So he said anything I'm going to tell you. But you don't want to go this way. Behind it. We go to school up there. You see the church up there. They below that was a slave village.
She was a slave master, right?
She was a slave mistress, not master. And he have a hunter them morning. Yeah. But in a a berry down there. No one knows it's Annie Palmer berry. No one. No. When I ask me, I tell you, no one knows where Annie Palmer berry. Back in a history, you see Jewel's Hotel. Jewel's Hotel built right down there by the farm. There were three palm trees down there where they say Annie Palmer berry is there. But the only somebody we could have come and tell, we say, down the Annie Palmer berry, I want man here tackle. Tackle when they write that. And you ever hear about Millicent, a history now here. Tackle. Millicent, we call Tackle grandfather. And
Don't judge me, guys. It's been a long day. It's after 4. We actually got here we left out from about 9 in Kingston, and then we literally got to Montego Bay at around 11 because we did make some stops on the way. Yeah. So now we're at the Airbnb that we're staying at, guys. I never get to do a full tour because, to be quite honest with you now, the day is just kind of hectic, but it's a little area. It's kind of like how many bedrooms. I'm going to do a little tour, but guys, I'm going to tell you something. The tour not go perfect because everybody don't situate themselves already. So we're already in one room, and I'm sharing this room with my little nieces. Hello. Yeah, guys, my mama telling you, not perfection. No perfection. It has TVs. All the room have ACs. They have these cute little drawers. Oh, they have iron. Some cute little mahogany drawers, and also these types of closets.
So you know we just come because you're looking there, you say, oh, we have iron.
We didn't know. Yeah. And then we have our bathroom. So let me show you guys. I'm gonna spin around the camera, and then all you're gonna hear from now is my voice because I look busted. I don't want to be on the camera this long. Bye. Our bathroom.
So this is our bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
The nice, clean bathroom. So as you see, we have a nice sink.
You know what? That's the only thing I don't
The
see.
nice, and they also have little pearls. So,
Yeah.
and
So
then a shower.
cute. Alright, so the bathrooms are pretty clean, and it's about 3 bathrooms or 4 bathrooms.
Yeah, and the designs on the wall are very cute.
Yeah, I like it too. Let's go outside. Oh, and also the room. This is the little glass thing that leads out onto the balcony. So we're gonna close this and show you guys somewhere because the AC is on. And then it have TV. All of the room them have TV.
And then we are gonna show you.
Yes, I'm not really go. Yeah, if you want to. Have a little living room area. And then we have another room here, but them already set up themselves, and basically all the rooms are the same little tables and
Yeah, and then we have the closet just like and then the same.
yes. And then here we have grandma's room.
Okay, that's all the grandma's rooms. Look at this. So here we have a bed and another bed just like of course, we have a little, and then here we have the iron one.
Okay, we're gonna walk through this door and go to the single bathroom. So this one don't have a bathroom, but it has a door that leads to another bathroom that can be shared. So we'll have this little area right here, and then when you come here, you see another bathroom.
Another bath.
I like this bathroom. I love the
And
curtain.
of course, you have the same soul, but in the blue version, and the same little thing. And of course,
Love the bathroom. It's cute.
And of course, it's very cute.
Very big. Yeah. Very big. Very nice.
The walls are the same.
Yes, I like that you note that. So we're gonna go into Jeremiah's room now. So guys, we're gonna sleep. Turn some of the lights off, and then we're going into another room. Where Jeremiah have the lights. So then we'll have this room, guys, which is like how much bedroom I showing her? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I showed you guys 4 bedrooms. This room has like a single bed, and then it has like the same little things.
Auntie, they're calling me to come into the car because I want to go.
Yeah, may I come? And then the bathroom, but someone's there. And no worries, someone's there. And then a TV, and then we'll have this area, and then we have a little washing machine. I want to show you guys the living room, but I have to come around. Oh, it's so familiar, like come from cooking with Sergi and Annie. Alright guys, so we got this in the supermarket and we're going to do a review. Sujani already summed it up and thing. So now we're gonna tell you guys if you like it or not. If you don't know it, you don't know it. If not, we're gonna let you know if it's good.
Yeah, we'll let
Don't mind the night in the background, guys. We can't help you right now.
Yeah, it's talk to them when they still.
So you're not gonna taste it, Amy? Take care of work. Ready? Turn to the camera. Okay. Turn.
I don't know.
It's not spicy.
That was spicy. First of all, we thought it was spicy, not as spicy. So it was a whole heap of mark because we were expecting spice. It does. Alright, cooking with it's pretty nice though.
It's very nice.
I like it better than ramen.
10. Rate it,
No,
rate it 10 out of 1 to 10.
I like it better than ramen. That's what I would prefer.
Rate it 1 to 10.
1 to 10?
Okay, I rate it.
That's 7.
I rate.
I give it a 7. 6.
I give it a 10, guys.
So you love it?
Yeah.
Alright then. Bye!
Bye.
Alright guys, so we're in the kitchen. And we have banged on something. This is not a cooking video, so I'm not sure what I'm going to cook, but we'll just chop up the chicken. And Cynthia, we come with the seasoning though. Because she ever cook, we just chop and season. Cooking with amor, cooking with amor, cooking with amor. Oh, lovely. Is you don't know cooking with black kind?
Yes, she does. Is that not a hello to me? I mean, I know all she popular stuff. We just say cooking with. What you
And if you look that good cooking with who? Hiya.
Kaya.
What did you do next? Add this one.
We're adding the seasoning.
Cut. Can I say add it? Cut.
Don't pour all of this one. Just put it about half more. You can't throw it in there. But you see, before you cook, you must always wash your hand, okay? The first rule to cooking. One, yeah. Guys, season up and ready.
Cake, what?
Cake, butter and cheese, no?
Butter and cheese, that it?
Yeah. Alright, we turn this around and come back to wait the food done. Good morning! Yeah! So guys, it is a new day. Everyone is actually getting their stuff prepared and ready to go for the day. Right now we just woke up. Everybody had their own thing, but me and Sejani about for like clean up the room. Not much, but little bit, you know, to make sure it's safe.
Yeah.
When we get ready, the place not look clustered and you know we can have some organization going on. I never get for showing the food last night because everybody did raw dog hungry, and by the time we cook, we just eat and we never remember. Actually, I don't even remember, so I never showing the food. So forgive me, but we're gonna have a good day today, alright? So I'm just go and stay tuned.
We are gonna clean up the bed right now. Getting stuff on my bed. Look.
You don't like getting stuff on your bed?
No, I said why there's so much stuff on my bed.
Oh, why there's so much stuff on your bed? Why?
So I'm going to have to take away this pillow.
I'm going to help you as soon as I finish this one. Focus from my ear now because I can see it. The wedding is at 4.
Yeah.
And this is me right now. What time now? It's about after 9 or 10. So I'm gonna focus on the hair. So Johnny did her hair last night. I did her hair. I'm gonna show you guys that later on. So,
Get ready with me.
it's crazy.
Okay.
Alrighty guys, so we're get ready. As y'all can see, I put down my bust down, busted it down. We don't finish yet, we're just straight in the ear. And we're gonna put, we're gonna do the glue, we're gonna do the glue come down. So 12:45 right now, and we are all getting ourselves together because we need to reach at the estate for 3:30 the latest, well 3 o'clock the latest. So catching up with you guys soon, period. Hello ma'am, who's that? Wait man, I think it's you getting married. Turn to the back, let me see what's happening. Turn ahead, please. Okay, so guys, here we now. We're actually at the location. But so how much stress for get ready? To how much stress for get ready? Me never get my time for vlog to get ready with me. I'm so sorry. And we had to be here by 3. And everybody did that just fight to get ready and everything. So we don't get no chance. We get no chance for video nothing guys. That's straight rushing. I have to come another car, come drop on my little nails them. My makeup is just so bland. I never really get to do anything much with my makeup. So when it don't come for me, I chose some really light lashes, even though I bring some glamour one, but I never felt like I wanted that because it's a day vibes. I have my little thing them when I tell them something I go wear. And then throughout the day, we get a full 360. Alright, with my look and my dress. I ended up wearing this dress. They're good at full vibes. Alright, I'm so bummed out that I didn't get to give you guys like a full get ready with me, but let's go guys. That's my mom. Almost everybody here is family. Look at my family, them reach. Some of them are inside. My sister's here. Yeah, we'll go inside. We'll get some action.
please turn this way. Yes. Pay attention and love him. He wants to see you. It's pretty soon I'm gonna ask you to turn around. So look at me. You can no longer look at him. He's in good hands. You can turn around.
Don't cry, don't cry. Hold it up, hold up the stress, Ronnie. Yay!
Today, to witness these two to be joined together in holy matrimony. Will you love her? Will you comfort her? Will you honor her? Keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others. Javane, will you keep her only unto you as long as you both shall live? I will. Wilt thou have this man to be thy wedded husband, to live together of the God's ordinance in holy state of matrimony? Wilt thou love him? Will you comfort him? Will you honor and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others? Will you keep him only unto yourself as long as you both shall live?
I will.
Present you as Mr. Mrs. Gordon. To seal it up as man and wife, Mr. Gordon, I'm going to be very nice to you. I won't tell you what to do, just do your thing. Here we go! Mr. and Mrs. Gordon. God has joined together. Let no man put asunder. Keep going. Alright, so those who are not taking photographs at this time, stairs for the cocktail. Is it an hour?
now.
Way downstairs right about now. Yeah. Just come right here, so yeah, man. We want to make sure everyone will be able to see what I want. So, ladies, just stand to the side right there. Say, the bridal party is a reflection of the bride and groom, right? So let me ask you the question. Let me ask you. You know Ron too, right? You know Ronnie too, right? You know Ronnie. You know her. You know her. And let me ask you the question real quick. Out of the relationship. Who the dancer in the relationship? Talk to me, come on. Who the dancer? Javier? Are you sure? Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, I need everybody to stand up in here right now. Everybody, West, Mr. and Mrs.
vibe, right? We can't go Jamaica real quick. We can't play Jamaica something real quick. In a dancer, I want to see them got right now. I want to see what you got right now. I want you to bust it down right now. Show them all you. Here you go, DJ. All the matter, girl, make them right. Hey, Mama, let me see you. Real time first. Get on lady with projects, right? I want you to rock out. I want you to show them the ring. I want you to go on with yourself. You understand what I say? And I want you to walk out and go with yourself. What you taking my DJ? Sit down. Walk out, man. Walk out, running. Show them what's happening. Show them what's going. Everybody say.
Listening to our favorite song.
Whenever I'm you make me feel fine.
About that time. About that time. We're gonna begin. Alright, so guys, it is a whole new freaking day, and as y'all can see, we're no longer at the wedding done. Now we're at Iberia Star. I have things to talk to now about for close out the vlog. I'm so sorry guys, we never really get to go now. A lot of work going on the wedding yesterday because my battery did dead. Ready? My battery did dead. God no, my battery dead out. And you know, if look at activity at mom, I never get for sure. But y'all saw it was a beautiful wedding. We had a great time. It was very festive. So now we're there at Iberia Star for the day, and we're going to chill. So I feel like I'm gonna end the vlog anytime soon. I'm gonna end the vlog. Alright, so